Hey guys, what is up? Long story short, this is my first YouTube video. I'm going to explain the problem I'm having with my 2003 f-250 6.0 diesel. I'm not a mechanic, so if some of the stuff I say doesn't make sense to you, I'm just going to try to explain it as best. I'm getting a soft air knock like from where the alternator is. Basically, I'm hearing a soft knock coming around where the alternator is. I did take it to get diagnosed. A diesel mechanic told me that it was... I am gonna crank it so you guys can hear the knock, but let me just explain. He did the hearing test. He put a little doctor's hearing device where they put it on your heart. He put it on his ears and he put it near the injectors. He said it's coming from a location on top of where the pistons are. That he said that's where the knock is coming from. It's not loud, but it is noticeable because I never heard it before. I'm gonna crank it so you guys can hear what I'm talking about. That's a little envious of me. Sounds like it's coming from here. On the hearing test he did, he went down there. Where is he? Somewhere down there by where the injectors are. And there's a backstory on why I think he went there. I'll explain it, but that's the soft knock. Sounds like it's air. You can tell it's more to this side. I would hope it would be that bad right there, but who knows?